I would like to talk a little bit, usually how to keep our mind positive. If you always think about, okay, if I got mad or feel sad, how can I fix? Always think that. Then your mind go away. That always. It's not like that. If always try to think your mind take lead by a right direction to think about the kindness for others and also something like any kind you see someone's doing some benefit for others or someone doing good things and someone said good things or you saw something good things, if you hear some good things, try to those things keep your mind. If you like some any situation, some any kind, try to keep your mind. This is like more habit. Then your mind become better, better, better. Okay? If you think about some, bad thoughts, bad memories, some you see some bad things, think about that again, 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 then your mind become go that way. Therefore, it's very important to our daily how we think, keep our mind positive actions. Okay? Thank you.